I'm Swags, and this is the Kershaw Launch 1. It has a 3.4-inch CPM 154 clip point blade with a black wash finish. It's 0.12 inches thick, and it's a push button out the side automatic. So, as usual, it's got amazing action. With an aluminum handle and an ambidextrous tip-up pocket clip on the back, with an integral backspacer and lanyard tie-off. Yeah. It's 4.6 inches closed, 8 inches overall, and it weighs 4 ounces. And it's made right here in the US. So click the link, go to smkw.com, and check it out.